previously we learned about the HCF of numbers. HCF means highest common factor. Means you need to find the factors using prime factorization of each number, and then you need to find which numbers are common in the factors. And then if you multiply that number, you will get highest common factor. So કરવાનો numbers આપણે હોય એના factors કરવાના prime factorization થી. પછી જે પણ number common હોય એને common લઈ લેવાના અને જે number multiply કરો that will be your answer. So let's start exercise 3.6. Question number 1. Find HCF of following numbers. So here 18 and 48, it means you need to find factors using prime factorization of 18 and 40. So factor of 18, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Factor of 48, if you divide 48 by 2, you will get 24. Then again 24 is divisible by 2, so 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are, 3 1s are. So these are the prime factors of 18 and these are the prime factors of 48. So we can write 18, 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 and 48 will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Which are the common? 2, 3. Remaining numbers are not common, so we can write HCF, highest common factor, that is 2 multiply 3 is 6. Clear? Now next 30 and 42. So make a factor of 30 using prime factorization. Divide 30 with 2. 15 2s are 30. 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. Now factor of 42. 2. 21 2s are 42. Now 21 is not divisible by 2, so divide it with 3. 3 7s are 7. So factor of 30, that is 2 multiply 3 multiply 5, and factor of 42, that is 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. HCF, highest common factor, 2 and 3. So that is 6. So what will be HCF of 30 and 42? That is 6. Now third, 18 and 60. So here find out factor of 18. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now factor of 60. 60 is divisible by 2, so 30 2s are 60. 2 15s are 30. 3 5s are and 5 1s are. So factor of 18 and 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Factor of 60, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. Now common, 2 3. So HCF will be 2 multiply 3, that is 6. Now next 27 and 63. So find out factor of 27. 27 is not divisible by 3, so we need to divide it with 3. 27 is not divisible by 2, so it needs to be divided with 3. So yes, it is divided by 3. 9 3s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 63. 63 is not divisible by 2, so divide it with 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3. So 3 2s are, 3 1s are. 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. So 27 can be written as 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, and 63 can be written as 3 multiply 3 multiply 7. Common are 3 and 3. So HCF of 27 and 63 will be 3 multiply 3, that is 9. Now fifth one, 36 and 84. So factor of 36. 36 is divisible by 2. 18 2s are 36. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 84 2 24s are 84, that is 2 42s are 21 2s are 42, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. So factor of 84 is 42 2s are 84, 21 2s are 48, 7 3s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. So factor of 36, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3, and factor of 84, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 7, 2 2 and 3. So HCF, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, that is 12. Now next one, 34 and 102. So you need to find factor of 34. 2 17 2s are 34. 17 is a prime number, so 17 1s are 17. 102. So 2 51 2s are 102. Now 51 is divisible by 3, so 17 3s are 51, 17 1s are 17. So factor of 32, 2 into 17, and factor of 102 is 2 multiply 3 multiply 17. 2 common, 17 common. So HCF will be 2 multiply 17, that is 30. Example 7. 70, 105 and 175. Here you need to find HCF of 70, 105 and 175. So factor of 70. 70 is divisible by 2, so 35. Now 35 is divisible by 2? No, it is also not divisible by 3. Why? Because 5 plus 3 is 8. Now try to divide it with 7. 5, so 5 7s are and 7 1s are. Clear? 7 5s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. Now 105. Try to divide 105 with 2. No, because last digit is 5. Now, is it divisible by 3? Yes, because 1 plus 0 plus 5 is 6 and 6 is divisible by 3. So 3, 35 3s are. Now 35 factor of 35, 5 7s are and 7 1s are. 175. Now 175 is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. Right, check it. 1 plus 7, that is 8. 8 plus 5, 13, and 13 is not divisible by 3. So it will be divided with 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. If you divide 175 with 5, you will get 35. 5 7s are 70. So factor of 70 is 2 multiply 5 multiply 7. Factor of 105, 3 multiply 5 multiply 7. And factor of 175 is 5 multiply 5 multiply 7. Common in all three, that is 5 and 7. So HCF will be 5 multiply 7, 35. Now next one, 91, 112 and 49. So factor of 91. 91, divide it with 7. Yes. 7 3s are 21. So 13. 7s are 13 is prime number. So 112. Divide it with 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. If you divide 102 with 2, you will get 56. Divide with 2. 40. 2 7s are and 7 1s. Now next one, 49. 7 7s are 49. 6 1s are 7. So factor of 90. 7 into 30. Factor of 112. 2 multiply 2 multiply 7 into 7. So common in all three, that is 7. So HCF will be 7. Example 9, 18, 54 and 81. That will be in your homework, and 10, 12, 45 and 75 also in homework. Question number 2. What is the HCF of two consecutive first number? Two consecutive number. What is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? Means numbers that comes after, exactly after the number. For example, if we take number 3, then exactly consecutive number will be 4. If we take number 13, then consecutive number is 14. So let's take one number, that is, for example, we take 5 and 6. That are two consecutive numbers. So what will be factor of 5? That is 5. 1 5 and what is factor of 6? 2 3. Now what will be the HCF? HCF is 1. So if we take the HCF of two consecutive number, it is always 1. You can take one more example, 90 or 91, 20 or 21. If you find the factor of 20 and 21, it is also HCF gives 1. That's why HCF of two consecutive number is 1. कोई पण તમે एग्जांपल लेना, यहाँ 5 અને 6 લીધા છે, તમે 10 11 લો, 12 13 લો, then it gives HCF 1. So answer, this can be asked for blank. What is the HCF of two consecutive number? That is 1. Even number. Let's take two consecutive even numbers. So if, for example, we take 8 and 10. These are the consecutive even numbers. If we find the factor of 8, it will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. And factor of 10, 2 5. So what will be HCF? Is 2. So HCF of two consecutive even number is always 2. Clear? So HCF of even number will be is 2. Clear? Now next, odd numbers. Take any two consecutive odd numbers. So take the example, if we take 5 and 7. You can take any example. What will be factor of 5? It is 1 into 5. And factor of 7? 1 into 7. So what will be HCF? It is 1. So factor of two consecutive odd number is always 1. You can take any example, 13, 15, 15, 17, 17, 19. If you take any number, HCF of two consecutive odd number is always 1. Now, example 3. HCF of two co-prime number 4 and 15. Now what is co-prime number? Co-prime number means common factor is 1. That is called co-prime. Was found as follow. 4 is equal to 2 multiply 2 and 15 is equal to 3 multiply 5. Since there is no common factor, HCF is 0. The answer is correct. If not, then what is the correct answer? Okay. HCF of any two co-prime number cannot be 0 because 0 is not a factor of any number. Okay, कोई पण number नो factor 0 ना हो. Okay, because if it is a factor of any number, then answer is 0. कोई पण number ने 0 थी multiply करो तो ये तो 0 થઈ જાય. That's why 0 is not a factor of any number. That's why HCF cannot be 0. So we can write 0 is not factor of any number. So it cannot be HCF of 4 and 15. HCF, what will be HCF of 4 and 15? So 4 is can be written as 2 multiply 2 and 15 can be written as 3 multiply 3. If there is no common factor, then what is the common factor? HCF will be 1. कोई पण common factor ना हो तो શું લખવાનું HCF 1. That's why common factor HCF of 4 and 15 that are co-prime number is 1. 0 cannot be factor of any number, that's why it cannot be HCF of any number. That's why if there is no common factor, then HCF is always 1.